I want to show you something very important. I'll give you 7 ways in which you can make money. You can choose one of the 7 ways and try it today and give me feedback after 1 or 2 months and let me know. The first way in which you can make money is online freelancing. That is the first one. I know for this one, not all of you might want to try them, but maybe the third, fourth, or fifth might be the one for you. But if you want to attempt or try to do freelancing, then you can go ahead and do it. So what is freelancing? Freelancing is working online. There are websites and platforms in which you can do the work and get paid. For example, we have websites like Upwork. We have websites like Fiverr or Swagbooks. Those websites can help you to work. The work that you do there could be things like transcription. You can do assignments for people. You can edit video for people, and you get paid for the work that you do. So what you need to do that? All you need to do that is to have a good profile, say what you can do in those websites, and then wait for the job. You get the job. Number 2 is content creation. What I'm actually doing. For me, out of the 8, I chose this one. By the way, I have tried before freelancing and it paid me well. That is why I was able to buy this equipment through freelancing. But I also decided to do the second one, which is content creation. Now, you can decide to create content depending on what you're good at. For example, myself, I'm good at maybe video editing, and I decided that maybe my video editing skills can help me to be able to create content, and you see that content can pay you something that you need. It acts as a side hustle. That is number 2. Number 3, you can do what we call online selling or e-commerce. You can sell products online and deliver them to the people who have bought them. For example, you can use, like I see people sell things online like TikTok Live, YouTube Live, and even Instagram Live. You can just advertise your products and sell them to the customers online without necessarily opening a physical shop. Although it's important to also open a physical shop so that at least whoever wants to come to your shop, they can come and find you in the shop. Number 4 is delivery or ride services. One of these is the common ride services is boda boda. So if you think you can have some small capital to get the boda boda or to get a taxi to deliver people, then you can go ahead and do it. But it's important that you also link yourself to delivery companies like Bolt. You know, those companies help you to get customers who want to be delivered, and you can also deliver other products apart from delivering people. You can ride or you can deliver other products like foods and so on. So that is it. The 5th one is online teaching. So if you believe that you have skills in a certain area, for example, you have a skill in video editing, maybe you have a skill in graphic design, or maybe creating posters, you can teach people on how to create the posters online through Zoom or Google Meet. You know, it's a way of earning. You can teach them how to do that. For example, myself, sometimes back, I would teach people how to edit videos online using the AnyDesk software, and I would make some small coins here and there, and actually that's what you want. Learn a digital skill. Now, a digital skill in this case could be either learning on how to write CVs, learning on how to do posters, graphic design, video editing. You learn those skills. And also there are things like web design. You can learn on how to design a web. That web that you design is going to help you to actually get more clients, create apps and websites for schools and companies. It's a good way of earning. The last one is what we call agribusiness. Agribusiness is a good way of earning. By the way, you can even if you are in a town, you can have a small structure and have chicken or rabbit inside your structure. It's a good way to actually make some income. Through that, you can be able to rear some chicken, sell the eggs. It's a good way of earning as a side hustle, agribusiness, or if you're in rural areas, you can just buy some fertilizer, buy some seeds, plant some cabbages, some potatoes, some onions, and sell at the end of it. So it's also a form of business or agribusiness that you can do. So those are the 7 ways in which you can earn while you are in Kenya. And remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel.